The Senna, a plant of diverse beauty and utility. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been fascinated by the sheer variety and adaptability of the Senna genus. These flowering plants, belonging to the Fabaceae family, boast a global presence, thriving in tropical regions and even making appearances in some temperate zones. With an estimated 287 species, the Senna genus offers a captivating array of forms, from shrubs and trees to perennial herbs. Plants in the genus Senna are shrubs, sometimes small trees or perennial herbs. The leaves are arranged alternately, parapinnate with up to 25 pairs of leaflets, each leaf with a stipule at the base, but that often falls off as the leaves mature. The flowers are arranged in racemes and leaf axils with bracts at the base. The flower has 5 egg-shaped green or yellowish sepals and 5 usually yellow, usually glabrous petals. There are usually 10 stamens are free from each other, the filaments of different lengths, and some are staminodes. The fruit is a leathery pod containing several seeds. Pollination. Senna species are pollinated by a variety of bees, especially large female bees in genera such as Xylocopa. They rely on buzz pollination, and some of them on ricochet pollination, which is a secondary pollen presentation where the pollen is not deposited on the pollinator's body by direct contact with the anthers. The flowers have 2 sets of stamen, feeding stamens, which are longer, and pollinating stamens, which are smaller in size. Due to buzz pollination, the pollens from the pollinating stamens get thrown from the anthers and ricochets against the petals multiple times before it settles on the dorsal side of the pollinating bee. The roughness on the petal walls causes the pollen to slow down its speed. The ricocheting effect alone cannot ensure effective pollen dissemination. It is aided by static charges, wherein the flying bees become positively charged owing to friction in the air, and the pollen becomes negatively charged, because of which they naturally get attracted to the bee's body. The pollinator bee ends up carrying the pollen and also gets to feed on the pollen, which is on the feeding stamens. Uses. Some Senna species are used as ornamental plants in landscaping. The genus is adapted to many climate types. Cassia gum, an extract of the seeds of Chinese Senna S. obtusifolia, is used as a thickening agent. The leaves and flowers of Siamese Cassia S. siamea are used in some Southeast Asian cuisines, such as Thai, Shan/Burmese, and Lao cuisines. They're known as Kai Lek in Thai and are used in curries. Laxative. Senna is considered to be a bowel stimulant on the myenteric plexus of the colon to induce peristaltic contractions and decrease water absorption from inside the colon, effects that will provide relief from constipation. The laxative syrup of figs gets most of its effect from the presence of Senna. Plants in the Senna genus have been studied for their beneficial effects arising from the abundance of phytochemicals, bioactive components, and antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Senna or its extracted sennicides, alone or in combination with sorbitol or lactulose, have been evaluated in systematic reviews and Cochrane reviews for treatment of constipation in children and the elderly. Some studies showed limited evidence for efficacy, whereas others indicated the study designs were too weak to be certain of Senna having utility as a laxative. Senna and humanity, a long-standing relationship. Humans have interacted with Senna plants for centuries, recognizing their value in various aspects of life. Perhaps the most well-known use of Senna is in traditional medicine. Some species, like Senna alexandrina, are renowned for their laxative properties and have been used for centuries to treat constipation. Other species have been employed to address a range of ailments, from skin conditions to digestive issues. Beyond medicine, Senna plants have also found their place in other human endeavors. Some species are cultivated as ornamentals, their vibrant flowers adding a splash of color to gardens and landscapes. Others are utilized for their tannins, which are used in the leather tanning process. And in some regions, Senna species are even used as a source of food or fodder. The future of Senna. As we continue to learn more about the Senna genus, I'm excited to see how our relationship with these plants evolves. with their diverse properties and adaptability. Senna plants hold great potential for future applications in medicine, agriculture, and other fields. Whether it's harnessing their medicinal properties, appreciating their ornamental beauty, or exploring their potential in sustainable agriculture, the Senna genus offers a wealth of possibilities for the future. I, for one, am eager to see what discoveries and innovations lie ahead in our ongoing exploration of these fascinating plants.